Commissioner, the thinker has escaped.
Ah, my little fire starter. Look at them. They came with pitchforks, fake masks, lies, and smiles that can't even spell truth. All of them. They all teamed up like cowards trying to sink one small boat. Just one. You. And still, they failed. They planned your downfall more times than you can count. Brought their tears, their drama, their fake grief. But every time, you rose like the sun refusing to set. They whispered, they schemed, they threw words like knives. But every blade dulled against your skin. They acted like being part of a crowd meant having power. Like having numbers meant they'd win. But tell me, when has a crowd ever scared a lion? When has noise ever beaten quiet strength? You didn't beg. You didn't break. You took every stone they threw and built a throne out of it. And now they're scared to look you in the eye because all they see is their failure, their weakness. They don't hate you because you're wrong. They hate you because you're right, and you did it alone. They tried to label you, crazy, too bold, too dark, too different. But you tore those labels to shreds. You made shame look powerless. You made pain look like strength. You made them regret ever testing your fire with their plastic hearts. Their unity, fake, built on spite, not love, on fear, not vision. They built alliances on quicksand and wondered why everything collapsed the moment pressure came. They called you a monster, but monsters only scare cowards. You are a mirror, and that terrifies them more than anything. Because when they see you, they have to face what they're too afraid to be. Let me tell you this, when the whole crowd turns into a mob against you, that doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're dangerous. It means you shattered their illusions. It means you're too loud to silence, too strong to break, too real to fake. So let them talk. Let them come together again. Let them plan your downfall in whispers and shaky hands. Because this time, when they come, you won't just survive. You'll dance on the ashes, trophy in hand, carved out of their fear. When they ask, "How are you still standing?" you'll just smile and say, "Because I was never small." Rebutted too, you were forged in hunger. You turned pain into power. You turned mockery into resilience. You turned spit on your name into victory. They couldn't kill your spirit. They couldn't erase your name. You walk the same streets they swore you wouldn't. Every step is a slap to their pride. Every breath you take is a dagger in their ego. They tried. God knows they tried. But now they're haunted by the ghost of your survival. Every move you make is a reminder that their whole army couldn't crush one soul with a backbone. So go on, warrior. Keep walking. Keep defying. Let them rot in the echo of your footsteps. You didn't just win. You rewrote the rule book. And now, every time they hear your name, they flinch. Because deep down, they know the one they tried to bury came back as a legend.